Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a Target haul. Yesterday I went to Target because I was low on a few things, so it's a mix of a restock as well as new purchases, and I mainly wanted to go to see what new drugstore makeup was in stores, and I was disappointed because I didn't find any, or I didn't find much. So I only picked up a few pieces and then some other pieces that I was just kind of like eyeing. So with that said, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's Target drugstore makeup haul. Yeah. Okay. I have my bag right here. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got. I'm just going to pull out items como si nada. So first up, this is a restock. This is, I think, my third time buying the Kristen S dry shampoo. So I usually get just the regular dry shampoo, but this one is for brunette. They didn't have the regular one, so I was like, well, I guess I'll take this one and try it out. And I like it. So the one thing, or one of the many reasons why I love this dry shampoo versus the Batiste. Batiste is a brand that I've been using for years, and I recently switched over to Kristen S. One, I got a PR package from them, and they sent over their dry shampoo. I had never tried it before. Tried it, and I fell in love. Not only is the scent immaculate, but it actually does a great job at like really absorbing all the oil from your hair, and it leaves your hair smelling super fresh and clean, and it doesn't smell like dirty hair mixed with like a perfume scent. Does that make sense? It just smells clean. It doesn't make my scalp itchy. It doesn't make my scalp flaky or dry or anything like that. And yeah, I really like it. It also adds a little bit of volume to the hair. So this is what, like, second or third day hair, and I mean my hair looks very clean and it smells so good. So if you guys haven't tried the Kristen S dry shampoo, I highly recommend. Again, I usually get the original version, but they didn't have that, so I got the brunette, and I applied it today before I did my hair, and I love it. So that was a restock. What was another restock? I guess we'll get to that as we go, but I wanted to get some nails because you guys know I am a press-on girly through and through, press-on nail girly. So I wanted to get some short ones because I've been wearing long nails for quite a few months and I'm kind of like over the long length. I go through phases where I really like long nails and then I like short nails, and right now I'm in my short nail era. So I wanted to try these. I've never tried anything from this brand. It is the press on nails, the instant mani. These are the short length in the style white. I haven't worn white nails in, I don't know, it's been a very long time. And yesterday when we were at Target, I told Lonnie, I was like, should I get white nails or should I get nude nails? She was like, get white nails. You haven't worn white nails in a long time. So I got these because I wanted the white ones, but I also wanted to try these from Kiss. These are the Bare But Better True Nude Nails, and this is what they look like. So they are short. Let me see if my camera can focus. That's exactly what they look like. So they are a true nude. These are short, and yeah, I mean, there's really not much to them. I like to use a specific glue for all of my press-on nails because I know what works for me. The glue in this sucks. I don't like it. I haven't tried from this, so I think I'm going to try the glue from this and see how it works. But I got those press-on nails. I only got one hair item, and that's because I actually needed a hair mask already, and I wasn't sure what I wanted to get. I usually get my hair masks at TJ Maxx, but y'all, it's been rainy like pretty much every day here in Houston for the past week, and it was pouring yesterday when we left Target. So I didn't want to go to TJ Maxx, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get me something from here. So this is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond Plus Rescue Plex. So this is for all hair types. It's a concentrated hydrating mask, and it's supposed to help dry, damage, and weak hair. So I figured I could try this and we will see how it works. I don't normally use conditioners. I just do a deep repair mask when I shower, and I have other products from the Marc Anthony brand. That smells so good. Oh, I love that. I have some other products from the Marc Anthony line and I love them. They're so good. I have their Be Strong or Be Long like leave-in conditioner and I love this stuff. It makes my hair so soft. So I figured I could try this because my hair is a little bit dry. Dude, I swear it's like tretinoin. Not only like does it dry out my skin, but it dries out my entire body because ever since I've been using it 3 times a week, I've noticed that my scalp is dry, my hair feels drier, my skin is always dry, and I'm blaming it on the tretinoin. I don't know what else could be causing it because I do a pretty good job at staying hydrated. I'm like, what could it be? And the only thing that I can think of is tretinoin. So if you guys have been on tretinoin or you are on it, let me know if you have experienced like a full body dryness because literally my life story at the moment. So I will have to let you guys know how this works and if I love it. So for makeup, I picked up the Stay On Night Microfine Setting Mist from e.l.f. I ran out of this months ago and I just never repurchased it. I totally forgot about it, and then the video that I posted on, when was it, Wednesday, where I did a full face of e.l.f., I didn't have a setting spray, so I was like, you know what, I need to buy it because I genuinely love this stuff. It just makes your makeup last so much. It really does a great job at gripping it and just like keeping it in place. So I knew that I needed a drugstore affordable version of a setting spray. So got that. Also, you guys, oh my gosh, I love these new e.l.f. Sun Boss Gloss. I always get tongue twisted. I have the original one, which is, or I have this one in the shade Pink Me Girl. I love the formula that I knew I had to pick up a new shade, and this one is in It's Your Mauve. I love me a good mauve gloss, so let's swatch it because honestly I don't know what the color looks like. Okay, that's really pretty. It's giving a little like cool tone vibes. That is so pretty. I'm gonna have to create a really pretty lip combo for y'all because anytime that I post lip combos on my Instagram that are e.l.f., they always do really well. So I gotta keep the motion going. Another lip product that I bought is an oldie but a goodie, okay? This is the Maybelline 920 Nude Lust lipstick. If you guys don't have this in your makeup collection, you need to get it. It is a pretty sheer pale nude, but seriously, like this is just such an iconic lip color or lip shade from Maybelline. Everybody needs this. Everybody needs this in their makeup collection because it's just so suiting to so many skin tones. And I haven't bought it in years, literally years. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to pick me up a new shade. So I got that. And then for brows, I did see this and I don't know if I've seen a lot of people talk about it or what, but this is the NYX Powder Louder brow pencil. I picked up the shade Black. So I guess this is supposed to give you that powder brows appearance. Volumize and feather your brow shape easily with this creamy, buildable pigment that delivers the ultimate brow expression. It contains bamboo fibers to raise the brow volume and create naturally diffuse looking power brows? Power brows. Cool. Okay, so it's really just supposed to create the illusion of the powder brow look while adding a little bit of thickness because of the bamboo fibers that are in here. So that is pretty cool. It is a dual-sided brush. You get the spoolie on this side and then you get your pencil on that side. I honestly just wanted to try it. I'm not much of a pencil girly when it comes to my brows, but I love trying and testing out anything that's new with brows. So I got that. And then I got a restock of my favorite brow pencil. This is the one that I keep in my everyday drawer, which is the NYX Lift and Snatch brow tint pen. I love this stuff. Okay, so this is the new one and this is the one that I use to fill in my brows. I love this because the little brush is so tiny and it's so skinny that it allows for you to create the perfect like faux hair. Okay, my camera's not wanting to focus. But I love this stuff. Like, I have gone through maybe like 3 of these at this point. So when I'm telling you I love it and it's a must in my routine, it's a must. I thought I had bought more stuff. I did, but I technically bought it for my daughter and she took it to her room. But the last thing that I bought were some earrings. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love silver earrings. I love gold earrings. I love jewelry in general. But these were so stinking cute. I mainly wanted it for these last two on this side. That is what I wanted. These are a little big. I might still wear them, but for $8, I was like, you're getting 3 pairs for $8. That is not bad at all. These are by the brand Wild Fable. They have so many cute items. I also got me this basic white t-shirt because every girl needs a basic white tee in their wardrobe, okay? And this one was, I think, like $5 or something like that. But anyways, yeah, I got these because I figured these would look so cute with so many different outfits, with your hair down, with your hair up, whatever it is. Got those. And I believe that is everything. Can y'all believe I spent $119 in all this? Like, what is life right now? Everything is so expensive at this point. I'm gonna run for president and lower the prices on everything because I'm spending about $1 billion just on groceries with the kids being at home all summer. I tell them all the time, I'm like, you guys are bottomless pits. I cannot stop feeding you every moment of the time. Like, if you're gonna look for me in my house, look for me in the kitchen. I will be there 24/7. I'm sure you guys can relate. But anyways, I think that was everything. Yeah, that was everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul from hair to makeup to jewelry from Target. Let me know what makeup I should be testing out. If you guys have your eye on anything that I haven't tried, let me know so I can go on the hunt for it, okay? Other than that, I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!